Alright everybody, what's going on? This video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in my bike alarm. I have a WSD Cam bike alarm and the batteries are dead. I've had this thing, I got it about a year ago, and honestly I haven't used it that much and the batteries are already dead. This is the alarm I got and it has a remote to it. Alright, now the batteries that you need this right here. It's A2712V. That's the batteries. I had to order them on Amazon. I couldn't find them anywhere around here. You need these are for the remote, and then you need AAA for the actual alarm. Okay, I think you need 3 of them in the alarm. And then it comes with this screwdriver. I don't know if it's going to focus, but this screwdriver here, it comes with that, so I'll use that. But and it comes with another little plastic tool to help you pry open the remote. I think the remote's kind of hard to get apart. There's no screws holding it together. So there's some little slots there where you can put it. I don't have the little plastic thing to pry it open with, so I'll probably just use a butter knife or something. But yeah, let's get this set up and I'll change the battery and film it so you can see it. Alright, see you in just a second. Okay, so I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there's 2 slots there that you have to, you got to really get in there and get them open. It wasn't too bad. Well, yeah, so there it is. And you know, there's the buttons right there, so you need to make sure you put those back like they need to be, and get the battery out. So there's the battery, and we will put the new one in there. Let's see. Alright, so yeah, there it is. Hopefully the camera's focusing on it, but that's it right there. There's the buttons. Just make sure when you put this back on that the buttons line up. Just put it right there, snap it back in place. Alright, and then for the alarm, you've got to undo this screw. Now I've got this screw, I've got it undone a little bit, but let me tell you, it was tough. That screw did not want to come undone. You gotta bow up on it. And let's see if we can figure out how this comes off. I don't know if it pops off like the other one or not. Yeah, it just pops off. Let's get the other side. And so there we go. And there's the 3 AAA batteries right there. It's wanting to go off. And I tell you, it is loud. Alright, so we'll put the batteries in there. And then we just pop it back on. There it goes. And then you just pop the screw back in the hole there. And that's basically it. And now hopefully that's what was wrong with it, was the battery, because it wasn't coming on. Let's see. And there it goes. And then let's see what happens. See, it gives you a warning when you move it. And then it'll go off. Alright, so that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped. If you have the same bike alarm, you know how to change the battery in it now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.